Alright, all through the pandemic, I was making money. Like you can see 4,000, 1,000. I was subbing 500 every day, transferring to people, paying for stuffs. And this money I was making, 1,000, 2,000, was not even from my normal affiliate marketing program. So just from 19,000, the simple stuffs I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make money. I was making money on a daily basis, like 4,000, 350. I was this one is 4 4. This one I like is on a steady basis, and you can see the dates and time. Just on a steady basis, 12,000, 8,000. Just on a daily basis, 8 5. See, let me show you even my bank account um statements right now. This is just because I paid for some stuffs today, and oh, before tomorrow, this place will be filled up. So I've only this I've sent 2 5 6,000 4,000 to people, 10,000 1 5. I'm getting paid. I'm transferring 9,000. Just keeps on going on. 1,000 just getting paid and also sending to people. 19,000. This is another 19,000. So if I'm 4 5, if I'm just scrolling down, the money is just increasing. This is 5 6. So you can see this one is 36,000. Getting people to pay that amount of money and sending to people also. So this is what I'm going to be teaching you guys in the WhatsApp marketing training. So I want you guys to just join me in it. Thank you.